How's it going, everybody? Right now I got the Bitcoin hourly chart, and as you can see, we're still in a downtrend. Okay, it has not defeated that 116k lower high, and I was thinking it should surpass it, but so far, if it has not surpassed 116k, we're still bearish, guys. We're still going in a downtrend, but there was a bit of change of character right here, and somewhere around here, that's where I bought on the 19th. I'm going to be honest with you, I did buy my crypto back again. So we were writing this thing up all the way to like about a little over 114k, and then we just started to go down. So if you see the chart at the moment, let me zoom in just a bit, and this thing still has potential to go even more down, but I'm going to put some warning signs. So I'm gonna put this alarm right here, crossing down. I'm gonna put several alarms. So let me clone this one, and let me put this one somewhere around here. Okay, let's put the alarm crossing down, and then we're gonna put the last one somewhere around here. Hold on, I have two of these. Let me put another alarm here. And let me explain what am I doing. Okay, so let me make sure I got everything set up. All right, everything's good. Okay, so I put an alarm here at, what is this level? As you can see, is 107, 466, or 450, or 500. That's the first warning, okay, for you guys, for everybody. This is the first warning. The second warning is right next to it, to be honest, because I see there's a lot of activity around this area. As you can see, it's piercing through this line many times. I would drag it up a little bit, but I like to put it a little bit lower just to confirm my my stop loss area. But I actually put a stop loss somewhere around here, to be honest, at the 107, almost 107, yeah, 466, almost 107, 500. So the second warning is going to be at 107, 263. And the last warning before we start going lower, it's going to be at 106, 142, okay? So I got three warnings, guys. The first one is 107, 466. The next one is 107, 263. And the last one, it's going to be 106, 142. And you can always round it up, especially if you're going to implement a sell order. You can round it to the nearest 100. As you can see, this thing is pushing down, guys. This thing is still pushing down. So this is very concerning. Yeah, so let me be honest. I did buy back crypto back in, what was it? Was it 2 days ago? Let me see. Yeah, 2 days ago on Sunday. And I'm planning to sell it again. Not all of it, but you don't have to follow what I'm doing, guys. You can just stay firm. You can just write this thing down, and then if you're hoping it'll shoot up, then that's you, right? That's up to you. But right now, guys, it's still looking bearish. It has not defeated 116k, like around this level that I drew the line. But so far, if you look at it at a macro level, this is an hourly chart. This is still going at a downtrend. So if you look at it all the way up here, so this is a high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, okay? But if we zoom in, this is changing character. So that's all I can say in this regard. We're still going low as long as we don't surpass 116k. So I think we're going to hit another lower low, like 103, 400. You already know from there, we should be going even lower. So you can either wait till the market goes up. But look, guys, let me go to Dow Jones. I'm going to skim through all of these charts real quick. I have about four more charts. So DG, Dow Jones, it hit a new all-time high, and that was before, what was it, the 9th, the 10th. I mean, its all-time high was on the 3rd. But I am thinking this thing will hit the uptrend And from there, it's just going to continue to go down because a double peak, this is a very bearish signal when it comes to double peaks. Now for the S&P 500, the same thing. It almost hit all-time high again. It might hit it tomorrow, and then it's just, don't be surprised if they pull another October 10th, okay? So this is what happened in October 10th. So what I'm trying to tell you is that, look, if you want to be rich, you got to think like the rich, okay? Let's say you're rich. Let's say you're like a billionaire, right? So all of these guys, or the elite, they're all up here. This is moments of taking gains. This is a strong resistance area. So once the market reach over here, because they decide an all-time high, they made a narrative of, for example, putting more tariffs on China, and boom. And then this time, they got to make a new narrative. They got to make a new story. So it could be, like I said, a banking collapse. But this time it's going to be real. Well, both are real, but expect a U.S. narrative or a world narrative. You know, a plot that will take down the stock market for them to, or, you know, to dump. Right now, these guys, they're already collecting their gains right here. They're going to drop it tomorrow or sometime this week. It looks like if they're not, it will continue to go up. But if I'm correct, they're going to create a story so they can collect all their gains and just dump it. Doom. You know, just like October 10th, that you had people creating these accounts, putting multi-million-dollar short positions from this point on. Like I said, if you were with the billionaires, you'd be speculating. You'd be like, okay, they probably already talked amongst each other already. And, you know, they already created a story to dump it because these guys are trying to crash the market so they can buy in for cheap, to be honest. That's it. That's all I can tell you guys. I mean, this is what it boils down to. They're going to create a story so they can drag it down so all the rich boys can buy in for cheap. So expect a major headline story. I don't know, sometime tomorrow, the next day, sometime this week or later. But if it goes above this, then they're just accumulating more profits from the retail, from the new people. And it doesn't even have to be retail. It can be new whales. So anyway, let's go to the Nasdaq, and the same thing. It already double peaked. This is a very bearish signal, maybe even triple peak. But yeah, just expect a narrative this week, maybe tomorrow or next week, for them to just drop the ball. And just you have to also analyze. You also have to keep in mind that crypto is connected to the big boys' money. Crypto for them is just play money. To be honest, crypto is just a little bit for them. All their money is right here in the stock market. So wherever these guys go, crypto is gonna tag along in the ride with them. So if they're going down, crypto's gonna go down. Why? Because it's connected with the wicked. Remember, you know, the elite. These are families. Demonic, to be honest. But anyway, that's all I can say. Gold. I am expecting gold to get a little bit cheaper. If it doesn't, well, you already know when the stock market and crypto goes down, this is going to shoot up even more. Now, I'm not shaking you off of your position when it comes to crypto. It's up to you guys. But to be honest, I was holding crypto for other people, and they had some pretty sizable positions. But I told these guys, you know what? This was back in when I made my video. October 15th, not even a day later, I told these guys, hey, the market is getting choppy. It looks bearish. I'm going to sell for all of you guys. I mean, I didn't get affected by it, but even the people under me got affected. And I told them, hey, I'm going to collect your gains. What do you want me to do with it? Do you want me to reinvest it, or do you want me to just give it to you? And everybody just wanted their money, of course. So that's what I ended up doing. And to be honest, look at this. This is really choppy, guys. This is not a market to just be playing around or investing. So I am a trader, and the thing is that just for them to be in a safe side, at least I did that for them. And if you followed me throughout that video, some people might hate me for it, to be honest. And like I said, I already implemented that headline right there, not financial advice. So you talk to God. You pray to God about these decisions, these financial decisions. And if you want to hang on with the ride, if you think it's going to skyrocket even more, just keep in mind that Bitcoin is still connected with the wicked's money, which is the stock market. And that means that the stock market needs to go even higher up if you want crypto or all of our crypto to continue to go up and rally. But right now, this long wick right here, I already gave you the warning signs. If it passes through these two lines around here, 107,500, and what's the other one? 107,250, around there. We're going lower than that, and then we're testing the other higher low, which is 106,140. Then yeah, that's bad news, guys. We're gonna create a new lower low. If that happens, if it goes lower low, and just if you're going to hang on, if you're going to stick to your position, that's up to you. Okay. I'm not telling you to sell. I'm just telling you what I'm doing. And I might take some crypto out gradually so I don't have to hemorrhage through the way down, on the way down to hell, you know, with all of these guys, with the people that they are about to hustle, which is the rich boys, the wealthy boys, and the wealthy families. Other than that, I'm just giving you precaution. I gave you the warnings already. I might take out some crypto today or tomorrow. I'm not sure. I'm still thinking about it. I'll be eyeing the market throughout the time. I did buy back, like I told you guys, I did buy back everything. But it did not pass the 116K. So we're still bearish, guys, because once it passed 116K, that's a change of character, but it didn't. Okay, it did not. Will it hit tomorrow? Well, we have to see. But other than that, guys, that's all I have for today. I'm just going to keep it short for today, and God bless everybody.